Hey guys, I'm Roy LaChapelle with Keller Williams Edge, and welcome to my newest listing, 32 Lorraine Drive in Hamilton, Ontario. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully detached, 4-level side split home is over 1,100 square feet and the perfect place for you and your family. Situated on a huge corner lot in a quiet neighborhood on the Hamilton Mountain, there is nowhere else you need to look. Enough of the outside, let's go check out the inside. Come on. This home features an extra wide kitchen with built-in island for eating and storage. A walkout from the kitchen to a deck for barbecuing. Formal front living room with a huge front bay window and tons of natural light. Walk out from your lower level into your fenced-in backyard. This is the perfect place for kids and pets to run around or to enjoy some afternoon sun in the summertime. Now, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't talk about location. You're walking distance to Bobby Kerr Park and Richard Beasley Elementary. You've got Lisgar Park, Lisgar Elementary, St. Anthony Daniel, and the entire Mohawk Sports Park, all less than 5 minutes away. You've got the Shoppers Drug Mart Plaza, as well as many other plazas, all within walking distance. This is the place to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed the home. Don't forget to check it out on Realtor.ca and share with a friend. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. And remember, this is one you will not want to miss.